6-year 100,000 Jaguar Approved Zero Deductible Certified Warranty until November 29, 2022. Rare top-of-the-line first edition XE all-wheel drive MSRP was $59,683. This Jaguar also comes with covered maintenance for 5 years and 60,000 miles. Courtesy loaner for our service customers, washed and vacuumed every time it was in use and serviced by the book. Snow tires used during winter months, so the all-season tires have less than 7,500 miles on them. 165-point Jaguar certified inspection performed and everything recommended was done, including refinish, curved alloy wheel, interior and exterior detailing. Anything not like new will be taken care of by us. Hurry in on this great buy on a rare first edition ready for its new owner.